And when she's doing it, you notice how all the pressure is gonna come through this front heel. That's what's gonna engage the glutes. We're working the glutes on this side and the leg on the front leg. All right guys, welcome to another video. This time we got glutes and abs. I got Michelle here. It's gonna be no equipment, no breaks, except for the last workout. We're gonna take a 30 second break after that, and then we're gonna repeat the whole thing all over again, no breaks. Hope you guys are ready. You ready? Yes. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna start off with glute bridges. We're gonna do 20 reps of glute bridges. I'm gonna explain the form on these exercises on the first round, and then after that, you guys should be good to go to do the second round without me having to explain them again. You ready, Michelle? 20 reps, let's go. So when you guys are doing glute bridges, make sure you guys are pushing off the heels, and at the top, you're squeezing those glutes. There you go. Let me explain it to you guys real quick. So look, notice how she's pushing off the heels. That's what you want. If you're pushing off your toe, you're gonna feel your knees. That's not what you want. You wanna feel the glutes. And at the top, she's squeezing. There you go, all the way to 20. That's good. All right, now we're gonna do a glute bridge hold. So similar to that movement, the only difference is that for this one, now you're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Squeeze the booty. You're gonna feel those glutes. Your body's gonna wanna sag down. Hold it at the top. Hold it. 12 more seconds, let's go. Come on, you got it, you got it. 5 more seconds. Hold it, Michelle, hold it, okay. All right, now we got some leg raises for the abs. So with this one, we're gonna work the lower abs. So you're gonna be laying on the ground. You're gonna pick up your feet up here, and then you're gonna go down. Right before your feet hit the ground, you go back up, just like that. So notice, right before the feet touch the ground, she goes back up. Look, she's gonna be feeling the tension on the lower part of the abs. Now, if you feel like this one is a little too difficult for you, what you could do is a modified version where you bring your knees in towards your face, and then you kick your feet out, and then bring them in again. So it's a similar movement. You're working the same muscle group, but it's a little easier. Good job. All right, now we're gonna do lunges. 12 reps on each leg. Let's do the left leg. Okay, get in a good stance. Your feet aren't too close. They're not too far. Just about right. You come down right. Make sure this knee almost hits the ground, and then you go up. Look, and when she's doing it, you notice how all the pressure is gonna come through this front heel. That's what's gonna engage the glutes. We're working the glutes on this side and the leg on the front leg. There you go. And then this heel never touches the ground. All right, now we got the other side. 12 more. If you feel like you can't balance, you need to hold on to something, go ahead. You know, with practice, you're gonna get better. It's the only way you're gonna get better, by practicing. Don't expect your form to be the best when you first start. Good job. All right, straight to pulsing squats. So with this one, we're gonna squat down, and then right halfway up, you go back down. You're not going all the way up. 15 reps. Keeping constant tension on the legs, on the glutes. 15 reps. You got it, you got it. Good job. All right, now we got crunches. We're gonna do 15 crunches. You're doing good, Michelle. Okay, look, with the crunches, what you're gonna do is, you're just gonna pick up your upper back off the ground and then come back. 15 reps. You're gonna feel the upper abs with this. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're gonna do a 30-second plank. So with this one, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure your elbows are right below your shoulders. You don't want your elbows in front. You don't want them back here. They're gonna be right below the shoulders. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, 30 seconds. Look, notice how her body is completely straight. She's keeping the core engaged. Now, if you're a beginner, you might notice that your hips are a little too high. That's okay, that's gonna happen. But over time, eventually you want it to look like this, okay? 10 more seconds, let's go. Squeeze the core, keep it engaged. Okay, good job, guys. All right, last one. We got single leg glute bridges. We're gonna do 10 reps on each side. This one's probably gonna be the hardest booty workout we're gonna do today. So it's similar to the glute bridge that we did in the beginning, except we're doing it with one leg. Let's go. 10 reps. Good job, guys. 30-second break. And then we're gonna do it all over again. Those, oh, that's probably all the, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we have a different view. This is my new home. So you guys are gonna see this view a lot in the follow along workouts now. It's a little warm out here.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot this whole week.
The single leg glute bridges are always hard, huh?
Yeah, they are.
No matter how advanced you get. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Round 2.
So
20.
we're going back to back, right?
Yep, 20 glute bridges. Let's go.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder. And it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. 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 to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
We did it! Good job, dude. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you guys, you know? Everybody wants to transform their body, and it starts with stuff like this. You know, you have to take action. You can't just say you want to change your body and not do anything about it. There's too many people in this world that they wish for things, but they never take the action to actually try and achieve it. So I'm proud of you guys for doing this with us. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, because you guys lack that motivation, follow us on Instagram, Booty King, Bad B Michelle. A lot of you guys already know her from her insane booty transformation. Trust me, she didn't look like this a couple years ago when we started training. You know,
Hard work.
yeah, but the important thing is that she started and she believed that she could achieve her goal. If you guys believe that you could achieve your goal, you're gonna make it happen. But other than that, pineapple belongs on pizza. We're out.